if I'm in this constant battle with myself where I want to do things but then I judge myself so hard to the point where I don't do those things, अगर मैं ऐसे फील कर रही हूँ तो कोई और भी ऐसे फील कर रहा होगा, क्योंकि मैंने बचपन में just girly things और relatable posts से सीख लिया था that I don't have one individual experience. Hello. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Contrary to popular belief, why am I acting like there's popular belief about me? But contrary to what you may think, I do actually like really put a lot of thought into the sort of videos I want to make. What do I want to talk about? What do I want to say? What don't I want to say? मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ इस चीज़ के बारे में. मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोच लेती हूँ इस चीज़ के बारे में. I think I overthink it to a point where then I don't do anything. And video thing is one example of this, you know. I feel like with a lot of things, I overanalyze so much. Welcome to therapy. I tricked you into coming here and listening to me. I overanalyze so much that I don't actually then do the thing. And what I realize now is that I need to give myself a break. Nobody cares about you as much as you care about you. Like, other people don't care as much. So like, just do what you want to do. तो मैं खुद क्यों नहीं इस तरह करती? तो अब मैं करूँगी. You are absolutely worthy of everything that you want to do. With your flaws and all, with all of your little issues and everything, you are absolutely worthy and you should absolutely do the things you want to do. Because imagine not doing them. Imagine going through your entire life wanting to do things but then not doing them. क्योंकि you were judging yourself too hard, या बहुत critical थे अपने बारे में, या फिर आपको लग रहा था कि लोग बहुत critical होंगे, या फिर आप कुछ करेंगे और वो flop हो जाएगा. मतलब तो क्या हो गया? I think what just keeps stopping me is कि मैं सोचती हूँ कि अच्छा मैंने वो चीज़ के बारे में बात की थी, तो क्या अब जो मैं बात करने जा रही हूँ is that more valuable? Is it more interesting? Is it funnier? Is it more engaging than the last thing I did? But when we're constantly striving for improvement, we're gonna get burnt out. Or burnt out से ज़्यादा, you're going to judge yourself so harshly. क्योंकि I feel like that's what I do, is that मैं थोड़ा सा भी slip up करूँगी and I'm like, look, you're doing that again, or you're having those thoughts again. ये मैं मतलब इंसान हूँ. I want to stop taking this seriously. And I think that will lead into me posting more. Like, I really like doing this. Like, I can't explain to you. Like, मुझे बचपन से बस बहुत शौक है बात करने का कैमरा से. Like, even as a kid, मुझे लगता था मैं वेबकैम में जो चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ वो किसी ऑडियंस के पास जाती हैं. तो मैं प्रॉपर, मतलब मैंने अपने पहले दांत टूटने की भी कहानी सुनाई थी. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है करना. And I'm robbing myself of something I really enjoy doing because I feel like you're going to judge me. क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रही थी और अब मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सोचूंगी. Thank you for tuning in. I will let you go now. Take care of yourself and tell me how this rant made you feel. Like, I know you were held hostage against your will. सब चीज़ें थी, ठीक है. But still, what do you think is the key to finding balance between self-improvement and being a better person, and then also like harsh judgment of yourself? How do you balance that? Do you balance it? Are you on one side or the other? Please, मुझे बताएं.